Hey y'all, it's your girl Pre the Dawn, and we're back at it with another wig review. Today I'm going to review in this Amazon storefront a Rookie hair. It's an Afro Kinky curly wig with bangs, 200% density, virgin Brazilian. I got it in 18 inches. It's natural color. It was the only color option available, I think. And it was only $134.99. I'm saying it like that's not expensive. Anyways, I got it for next day shipping, and it came right on time for an event that I had it for. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I made this wig like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and I've just been living with this wig for since. I love it so much. So yeah, this is the wig. This is how it looks. It's a little matted together right now, but it's actually really soft and it's easy to detangle. I ran my fingers through and it felt so good. I just want to show y'all more of the wig and the texture and how it's tailored. It has the 3 clips. It doesn't have a lace front or anything or closure. It's just completely, I guess, cap. And yeah, and it has the band at the back that helps keep it fitted to your head. So to begin, I'm gonna shampoo the hair. It did come with a little weird factory odor smell. Nothing too crazy, but I just want to wash the wig and detangle it and re-separate those curls so I could define it more. It got so soapy, y'all. I did not know what to do. I had to get a cup and scoop into my tub just to get some of the soap out because it was not going down in the sink. So now I'm going to do the last thing, which is conditioner. And I'm also using the OGX coconut milk, both shampoo and conditioner, if y'all wanted to know. I like this brand a lot. I've tried multiple of their stuff. Multiple, would I say flavors? I want to say flavors, I don't know, scents, not scents, I don't know, oils. But yeah, this is how the wig came out. This is how it looks wet. It looks so beautiful. I love the curl and the definition and the texture and everything, all about it. I just can't wait to put this on my head. I'm not gonna hold you. This is how it's looking damp and detangled. Just want to show you every process of how the wig is, every process of the wig and what it goes through and how it looks. Okay guys, this is the final look of the hair. My friend Kaylee, she layered it for me because I was a little scared to do it myself. This is a close-up of the texture when it dried. So you can see, that's why I'm putting the light so you can really see it. So the camera doesn't really give it justice. I just peeped, and I'm not gonna hold you guys. I'm too lazy to record a new intro. So I'm gonna incorporate some photos that I took throughout the week with this wig, and y'all can really see how it looked defined. I also did a little twist out with this wig the other day, so you get to see that. It was really cute. So thank you guys for watching this whole video. I hope it convinced you to buy the wig because it's definitely worth it. Pretty sure it's definitely gonna last for a very long time. I'll definitely do an update sometime soon. If you have any questions about this wig, feel free to comment down in the section below and I'll answer all your questions and comments and concerns, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video to your friends or anybody else who may be interested. Bye.